What's up, everyone? I'm back after a little bit of a break for the last couple of days, just taking care of self-care, just a little bit of self-care, and trying to figure a few things out about the cars. Of course, the bolt issue with the caliper, which has led to the destruction of that rotor down there. We got replacement bolts, but it looks like we are replacing shields and everything else on that as well. And then we get to the Stelvio QV that I was doing the oil change on, at least I thought was going to go down. And I get to the sump plug and it is seized. So this morning I did a couple of things. I spent the morning shopping for parts. I went to Real OEM. If you own a BMW, it's a phenomenal site to go to because it gives you all the diagrams of parts and systems that are in your BMW. In my case, in the E9X M3. And what it does is it breaks down each particular part or systems. It even gives you part numbers so you can copy and paste those into the search bar of the site that you're using. In the case of me today, I have been using ECS Tuning. By the way, this isn't sponsored by them at all. I have listed on this channel before many sites that I use to shop for parts, and I don't have a problem listing the companies out there, especially when they provide value for us in the car community. And in this case, the BMW community, and they do service, they do supply parts for other brands as well. And this is, man, that's a lot of work. That scared the crap out of me. I thought this thing was unlocked, which it was. This is the cup holder for this side right here. It is coming out super slow. This one comes out really fast, and that was the one that got replaced years ago. So I actually picked that up from Natty Auto Parts store in California. This year he opened up his shop. He has a shop where he parts out cars, and that was one of the items that I bought from him for the E9X M3. With the move and everything, I never got around to doing it. All right, so that was super simple to do, and not gonna lie, I thought that, wow, I thought that they would move a lot faster than that, but maybe that's just how they move. And that one's actually not coming out all the way. So, with the exception of it just looking better, oh boy, not all things go, geez, is that what my channel is becoming? Everything not going as planned? Holy cow. Well, I'll be honest, I thought that would be a lot faster, like this one here, but maybe this is a genuine part. I want to say this was the OE part. Yeah, because it even feels different from the texture here. This actually feels like plastic. That's that rubber stuff that peels off, as you see. It's a genuine part. So I do realize this one that I ordered, it is an OE or OEM. I can't remember which one it was, but the big difference is how that actually feels. You can tell that is just like the ABS plastic, and that's got that rubber coating that does this stuff. It peels. Needless to say, I put the original one back in here. That seems to open up just fine. The lesson learned here is if it ain't broke,